got the sun climbing high, the sky painted blue, a cooler full of laughs and a blanket for two. Flip-flops tapping to the crash of the waves. We're chasing the tides, just living these days. Salt on our skin and the wind in our hair. No clocks around and no need to care. Every laugh, every splash, it feels so brand new. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. Sandcastle towers, seashells in hand, seagulls dance like they understand. Radio hums that sweet summer tune under an umbrella shaped like the moon. Salt on our skin and the wind in our hair. No clocks around and no need to care. Every laugh, every splash, it feels so brand new. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. Sunburned smile, the ocean in your eyes. You're strumming that guitar as the daylight dies. The sunset flickers, the stars break on through. This easy life feels perfect with you. Maybe someday we'll look back and say, this little stretch of sand made a getaway. No big plans, just a heart or two, finding forever in an ocean view. Salt on our skin and the wind in our hair. No clocks around and no need to care. Every laugh, every splash, it feels so brand new. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. The waves keep rolling, always still young. Hearts open wide like our life's just begun. Tomorrow can wait, tonight's still true. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. Tomorrow can wait, tonight's still true. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. It's a beach daydream, just me and you. It's a beach daydream.